Hello humans, Seyeren here, and if you're new, I like music, travel, and doing reviews too. So if that sounds like you, stay tuned. If you like what you see, make sure to leave a big thumbs up and show your support by subscribing to my channel. Tap that bell so you can see when I put out new videos, hopefully every week. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing Rael Beauty. Let's get real. Okay, so I'm really excited to review this. I got this package from Influenster, which I have talked about in a few videos. If you guys are unfamiliar with it, I will leave a link in the description below. Make sure to check it out. It is a really cool app that you can sign up for. You can review products, and depending on which products you review and what you fill out for your snaps, they will send you free complimentary products to try out and review. So let's get started. I already did the first few steps of my skincare routine. I did my cleanser and I did a little bit of toning just to make the skin nice and fresh and ready to accept these products. So let's dig into the box. Dun, dun. So when you open it, there is a little card that says, Rael, feel good in your skin. Say hello to Rael Beauty. This ultra hydrating clean skincare trio is the key to getting the dewy glow of your dreams. Treat, moisturize, and mist daily to reveal soft, brighter looking skin and improve the look of fine lines. So I've been using this product for about 2 weeks now, and I can say that my skin has cleared up. I actually just went through a really rough time. I was traveling, went to a funeral. We ate a lot of fast food and coffee on the way, so my skin was breaking out. I had a lot of acne, oil, just because I was eating all this junk food. And I started using this when I got back from the trip, and my skin looks 10 times better. I wish I took before and after pictures. I didn't. I'm sorry. But let's just go ahead and try some of this stuff out. So the first step in the 3 steps that they sent me is the serum. It is the Good Chemistry Advanced Antioxidant Serum. Some pictures on Instagram if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, I'm going to leave my handle right below. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram, where I put a little bit more different content on there. You get to see a little bit more of my day-to-day life. I really like the packaging. It's nice and sleek, it's sturdy, and there's quite a bit of product. But I'm just gonna put 3 pumps. I know. Lather it on my face. It feels really hydrating without being too clogging of my pores, if that makes sense. It goes on really nice and smooth, and I have super sensitive skin, and this doesn't irritate me at all. It feels really light on the skin, it dries really quickly, which is really nice. So the next step is the Rael Beauty Daily Restoration Nourishing Gel Cream. So this is the moisturizer that you use. This is the packaging. Again, really nice and sleek. I'm going to do 3 pumps. I'm just going to rub this into my face. Now this moisturizer is really nice because it's not super thick. It goes on really smooth. It smells really green, if that makes sense. This brand is made without synthetic fragrance, artificial dyes, parabens, PEGs, penthoxyphenol, mineral oil, silicone sulfates, phthalates, animal-derived ingredients. So it's really nice. It's a healthy, clean beauty brand, and actually they started out doing feminine hygiene products. So the brand is actually catered to women and how their body changes through their cycle. So I thought that was really cool. So the last step, I forgot to tell you guys, is the Rael Beauty Calm and Collected Creamy Moisture Mist. Now I like to shake this up and just spritz my face. Do 3 spritz. And I like to rub it in with my fingers. It just gives you a little bit more hydration. Not wearing, makeup throughout the day. You can spritz this on throughout and it feels really good on the face. These are the 3 products that I got. Now out of the 3 products, I'd probably say I like the serum the most. Serums are usually my favorite just because the way they go on, it feels so velvety and I feel like my skin is really getting that extra layer of moisture that I need. This product line is really nice because, like I mentioned earlier, my skin is really sensitive. I tend to break out a lot when I use different types of products, and I feel like this product has really helped my skin get back to normal. If you see, I definitely don't have as many pimples. Your girl is looking good. Oh, what? No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, this brand is really cool. I received it free from Influenster again. I really like skincare and drinking coffee slowly. It tastes real good in my mouth. Why don't you say so? By the way, guys, just painted my nails. They look fabulous now. Because I'm just proud. Oh, I'm a rapper too, bitch. What? Okay, anyways. Too much coffee. Okay, it is pricey. This is not my price range, I'm not gonna lie. I am a drugstore skincare kind of girl. I try to find the best clean beauty I can find at the drugstore for cheap and help you guys save some money. If you're looking for something that really does show results, I'd say this is a pretty good product, especially if you're a woman and you tend to get a lot of acne buildup when you are going through your cycle. This box right here that I got for free from Influenster, yeah, shout out. I'm not trying to sell you guys on it, it's just a really good thing that could help you guys save some money in total for your skincare. I got $100 worth of product for free just to review for this brand. I could honestly say I hate it. It was terrible. It was destructive to my face. It broke me out. I could say all the horrible things that you could say about a skincare brand, and they're not going to take it away from me. They just sent it so I could review it. If you guys are looking to up your skincare game for free or get discounts, you can totally sign up for Influenster in the description below. Do it. I'm telling you, free products. Who doesn't like free products? But thank you guys for staying tuned. I will edit this video real quick and get it out for you guys. I know it's been a while. We don't have internet at the house currently. Yeah. So not only is it hard enough that I have to edit on my dad's computer, we don't have internet at the house, so I get to go somewhere else to upload it. So hopefully I can upload this and get it out to you guys ASAP. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Let me know if you have ever tried Rael Beauty. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite product is, or if there's anything else you'd like to see me review. Love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye!